Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a vacuum analyze or vacuum cleaning for your PostgreSQL database. So for instance, you have your database as usual, you know this is a SQL server. Normally if you are running it, normally it leaves some cache memory or some dead tuples. So I'm going to show you how to clean it in just a single line SQL statement. So vacuum, this is used to optimize your database. For instance, if it is used concurrently with other systems in your server, that means doing the vacuum cleaning. Actually, what you do is actually to optimize your database by reclaiming your storage and make it very faster. So how do you do it? You just need to have your data output like this one here. Then open your query tool. So query tool, actually I'll just click here. This is the query tool. So upon clicking query tool, then I write one command which I just mentioned earlier. That means it's vacuum. Then you say the table you want to clean, because I know the table is tz underscore district. That means it stands near districts, like that. So after finishing, you just required only to press execute script. So by clicking execute script, that means it says relation does not exist. Okay, fine. So why? Because I just the spelling issue. You see tz, this is a capital Z. So I'll just put Z here. So now when I run execute script, wow, the query is returned successful. So that's how you do the vacuum cleaning for PostgreSQL. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.